Honorable, good afternoon. I've just noticed the military packing away their canoes. What's happening?
I just heard the news that there's order from above that the military should unpack and should leave the scene. As you can see from the situation, the water levels have not receded. They have been helping us to catch relief items across this man-made river. More than 1,500 people at the St. Kizito camp. So how are we going to be taking care of them? How are we going to be sending them their medicines, their relief items, when the military, who have been here and have been very, very helpful, very, very cooperative? I mean, who is doing this? There's some rumor that they are struggling to pay for the accommodation in the hotel they are using. But the question is, this is a humanitarian crisis for which government says that it has devoted so much money. Only yesterday, the VRA announced that they have put aside 20 million cedis to respond to this crisis. So where is the money? I mean, 20 million cedis dedicated for this response, and we can't pay hotel bills if what some sources are telling us is the case. But even if it is not about hotel bills, it just means that officialdom, the government is not treating this disaster with the seriousness it deserves. You have already destroyed so many livelihoods. You have destroyed so many properties. You have plunged us into total chaos. As we speak, we are currently without homes, without jobs. More than 12,000 people have been displaced. They are crammed in classrooms. No sanitary facilities, and the little respite you can give us, the little support.
President say one tear say or no akokasa ewo Mepe voter region in Sua a yiri wo mono na yen social media edi na tem it is sanity dia anyway soldiers no afi ho wo ma wo mo boa wo no. President Akufo-Addo, we are dear pa, obi anu anko bedi watem. Wade bia we bia che say, we are papa wajimi, wunim efie nyansa. Ghana my Ghana this year, we ankoma nyina. Se obi ane papa be president da yen to aba mani biem. Se ankofo no omu nitema, omu nim senye nipa e go through. Se omu ti omu be bi no, ena mu be so this disaster. Ena mu bo omu nka yanko bi ani unim problem. Na why kra ne masa order ne say yemie nsuo ne nyifa so we a punishment a Akufo-Addo ede ma yenwanu voters. Now listen to me. Se o si omu nto aba ma no into punish omu a this database stress voter for crown that this last election no enipa 100,000 and a to about edema NPP Ashanti region na yemo stronghold vote to send amunye free on. This is total discrimination and this tribalism need to stop. Monkanche mo president and say enough is enough. This hatred towards voters need to end. Sound kwasi asem na ekoso no and do bro see twaso. Sika bebreba yetima raise no wo say woni sika ye de betua soldiers no ewo hotel ni aduane eti eyi o mafro ba ne nipa na o mo sofa ne nso hefa na nipa beda besine nipa be over 12,000 na ye hu o mo yentimi nya baabi mo mo kodai nipa bo ape